So this is one of the most special 488 Pistas I've ever seen. It's probably the most customised as well in terms of being done by the Tailor Made department as well. You've got the Grigio Nardo special colour. You've got blue electrico stripes, which are actually wider than the normal stripes you get on the Pista. Got carbon everywhere, of course. These yellow dreamlines down here and all across the side. If I just show you the inside, got some really special touches on the inside as well. We've got this Tailor Made plaque, of course, letting you know that you've customised your car beyond Ferrari's normal range. Got all sorts going on in here. So we've got satin carbon all along the doors. We've got this special fabric material here. Got the blue Super Electrico Alcantara, which looks really cool on the seats. If I just show you here, this is one of the most bespoke options. I've never seen this before on a Ferrari. It's got the Ferrari shields embossed in the headrests. Really cool. And of course the harnesses, which really do look great on the Pista. Track model, I think it makes sense to have the track seats. You've got the amazing yellow again coming through to the paddles, and yeah, satin carbon all along the inside. We've also got a super special plaque here, Tailor Made again, signed by Flavio Manzoni, designer at Ferrari, influential in the F12 Berlinetta, LaFerrari, etc. Got this awesome fin continuing the colour scheme along the roof of the car, and then this is special as well. So this is a different colour on this spoiler here called Canna di Fucile, which is a historic Ferrari colour and the closest match to carbon fibre, so it provides a really nice little contrast here. But yeah, what about that? Definitely the most customised or unique 488 Pista that I've ever seen. Absolutely stunning.